Okay, sometimes you have trouble getting keyboard to work on a computer, whether it be a laptop, don't have an extra keyboard lying around. MediCat can help with that. What we're going to look at today is how MediCat can use a virtual keyboard so that if you have a mouse or a trackpad or, you know, any of that stuff, it'll work, and you'll be able to at least get by to figure out what's going on. So once again, we're going to open up our MediCat portable apps. And right here, you're going to see on-screen keyboard. Okay, right under accessibility. So we click on that and up pops a keyboard. That's it. All we got to do now is wherever we want to type. Let's say we want to get system info. And ta-da. Have a nice keyboard that you can use until you can get a regular one to work or replace the one that you have, but this will at least hold you over. That's it. Another quick MediCat MediCat USB video to hopefully help you out. Have a great day. Oh, don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe, comment, you know, all that jazz.